Okay, here we go. There he is again. Trying to get him so you can see him. You see him in there? Okay, enough. Oh my God, we could do this forever. Come on, Sebastian. Let me see. Wait, hold him there. I want to make sure people know that he's really in there. It's kind of dark. Hey, baby. There you go. There. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Enough. Enough. Look at this. Okay. Look at him. Look at him. So we realized this $30 kennel is not going to help us at all. Hey, Paulo, look at Mama. Look at Mama. Come here. What are you all mad about? What you mad about?